type shit. Yeah, he's scared to fall. Okay. So negative goes also. Look the house. We're next. Good at 2R, 2%. Solid, okay. Next day, let's see what we get. We're gonna get bullish confirmation on January 7th. Okay. First 15 minutes. Broke above that to slip this daily low right here. Let's keep track of the daily lows and highs. So maybe the 15-minute will be good in this trending market. Okay, just keep dragging our daily lows. We're gonna explode to the upside. Close above though. This is decent. Okay. This is good. Just need a reaction from here to the upside. Just lines up. Okay. Alright, let's go back to our backtest. Alright. So you're coming to this session. Didn't get a reaction bullish from there. Is this a daily high? No. Daily high is back here. Okay. Let's continue our bearish trend. Oh damn. Should have marked out the first 15 minutes as well. It's the first 15 high. Low. Broke out the low. Be interested in that. Okay. Continuing this bearish liking schools. Okay. Start the daily low. This reaction. Asia. London. Nice. Now we are proceeding to sweep these highs. Okay. Giving any much of a reaction there. 3 minute. Impulse candle. Candle prior. Got New York coming up. Minute. 8:15. High low. Alright, Clyde. So this is our break test. Hold on, let's just go into a higher time frame. Okay, I'm forgetting something. That one. This one. 3 minute. Entry. 15 minute. Potentially be giving us something, but not really care. 10:18. So the bar right here, to be honest. Better RR. It comes us plug up the house. Not really in this trade because this is our time window. See if it plays out. What's up, bro?
Oh, simply.
Oh, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, but I can share my screen. 2.5 R, next daily high. It's pretty solid. I think I just incorporated something pretty interesting.
Yo, Simple.
Yeah,
I'm not seeing your screen.
well, let me share it. You see it?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Yeah, I just continued where we left off. But look at these trades I was able to hit right here.
Oh, yeah, the other guy was calling right now. Like the mentor?
Yeah.
Because I showed him, like, I sent him a screenshot of the trade, right?
Mhm.
And then he was telling me that he would have been using, like, he told me his strategy and how he would have been going for a sell right now. What we're doing.
Yeah.
And it's like, it does make sense, though. Like, going off the supply and demand, he said, you might get stopped out.
Yeah. He should hop on the call, to be honest. That'd be pretty dope if he can.
He said he just got out of surgery.
Oh shit. Oh
Yeah, I
man,
don't know
yeah.
what.
What happened? What?
Yeah, he's smooth though. He said
Oh,
he
okay,
good.
good. What? Let him recover.
He
Wait,
had.
fuck the charts, bro. Your health.
I appreciate the information though, my brother. I never gonna say no.
Oh, bro. But yeah,
Now, he a real nigga though,
that's fire.
and he a millionaire too.
That's
He,
ridiculous. Wow. But yeah, 2-3 R instantly reversed. But anyway, it's because we took out this daily high right here. Anywho, this is another. Oh wait, did this already fill?
like,
Yeah, that already filled. I don't know if that's really gonna hold up, but this is actually pretty active still. So this is the daily low. Yeah, this is pretty active, mate. Honestly, I'll take a buy from here. See what we can hit. Minus 2R. But my other entry would be right below it. Just have a limits. Target that 3R. Close this. And the time window.
yo, any days all your things line up, just know I'm doubling down with you, bro. I'm 4R that day.
Alright, bet. So that's 4R right
If I get the breakout too, I'm gonna be 6R simply.
I don't know how you incorporate the 15 minutes. I can't do it for some reason. I don't know how to.
No, if I add your thing to it, it's more structure and profit, you know.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm
So I
trying
go
to.
for big payouts your day.
Mm. See, I wouldn't be bearish here, but like this broke out bearish, you know what I mean? I would not. This is lines up with the daily sweep. However, there's not enough structural confirmation. Yeah, exactly. We have not broken below here. This is where I would most likely enter, not even enter shorts. I would just contemplate shorts. So like
I think
maybe
you're underestimating the power of believe it.
nah, it's like we gotta validate zones, you know what I mean? Cause like just basic market structure. This low, high, this could make the low and make a higher high, which it even did. It made a higher high, and but like instantly reversed, you know?
Yo, the whole markets are built off belief, bro. You do know that, right?
Fuck no, I don't. I mean, belief in a right in a good approach, statistic.
Nah, because even believing in this trade that we're in right now,
Mm.
it's real belief.
No, belief, yeah, exactly. I mean, once you press that button, it's out of your hands. Just gotta let the trade develop. But yeah. Let's hit 1.5R, 2R right here. We could even be out right here, to be honest. But usually 3R is fire. Honestly, 4R. This just, bro. I gotta even stop thinking about it as in like three. So this is already 3R right here. I could be good right here. This is 4R. That's what I gotta think of it as instead of 1 to 2R. So wait, you fix it at 2R? Is that what you do?
Yeah, I have it at 2R,
Mm. Yeah,
but it'd be
some
4 on those days.
it would be 4. What I just incorporated saves
Yeah.
me a lot of fucking it fixes my risk to reward ratio by a lot. Cause like ideally I'd be entering from here. It stops right
How
there.
much do you lose on that?
This is ridiculous. This is just bad RR. I'm not gonna lie. It's just longer hold time. But if you incorporate the impulse candle as your main entry, stop below the recent low. If that gets cooked, you can do a two for two entry or the second entry off the inducement of that zone, and then to ride the wave up. That saves your RR by a lot by just giving you two entries in the same zone. Just break it up. But like already hit 2R, otherwise we would have been waiting 1.5 to 2R up here. That's disgusting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This eventually went to go to 2R or 3R. Or sorry, 6R.
Yeah,
I got
I'm
6% right there. Anyway, I'm gonna backtest this some more, bro. But yeah, what are you saying?
I got time, my nigga. Let's get it.
Let's keep going, I guess. Yes, let's go. All
I'm
right,
getting
bet.
holiday pay at $6 an hour.
Oh, that's goddamn.
And look, I'm at 72 hours overtime.
On top of the base rate.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm streaming this on YouTube
Say
as
holla.
well, by the way.
Now you good, bro.
Is that cool? All right, bet. Just gotta let you
It's
know
good chat.
beforehand.
It's Kilo in the chat, man.
In the cup, baby. I gotta even see if the stream is up. Hold up. That's why I want to say I need a second monitor, bro. I cannot like I don't want to monitor this on my phone.
Simply.
Yeah, it's live.
That's because you're not a different animal, same beast, bro. I'm on my phone.
Yeah, you were different, bro. Doing everything on your phone is fucking annoying, bro. The screen.
Profit, bro. Forget comfort.
Nah,
Can I get profit?
I need
Oh.
comfort, bro. Not even comfort. I need to see data, bro. I need to see prior. Like, if I can, this is the perfect zoom out length right here. I can see the whole, the most relevant price action right here. You know what I mean? It's like
Cause I have absolute trust in my intuition though. That's why.
I'm trying to move away from intuition. You know, but discretion is a part of it. You know, I'm not a completely mechanical trader. Like I said, my approach is not completely mechanical. It kind of is.
Cause you,
It kind of is
cause
mechanical.
you have that human aspect where you still like
No,
you
I
still
won't.
take some
That's what I'm
trades, bro.
trying to get rid of. That's the thing. No doubt, a conviction. Because like once it's in
But
my zones, I'm
how
taking
are
the
you gonna
fucking
get
trade.
rid of that though?
By once it's in my fucking zone, I have to press the button, bro. Like,
You doubt yourself. That's why it's like that though.
wait. No, I don't. I don't doubt myself. Cause like I took both trades right here, and this is still in. Instead of saying, what if it takes out this low and then it goes? I don't give a shit, bro. These are the most optimal areas to enter from.
I bet this is where you would have entered. Where's the 15?
15. I marked it up here. Look, the 15's up here. This is the short.
Oh, I would have been selling, nigga.
But that's the thing, bro. You don't have enough confirmation, man. This just took out the high. This could come into the range and just go higher, just based off market structure. Low, high,
Cause
low,
I'm targeting
high.
breakout, right? Like, let me see.
Exactly. Because
Cause is
look,
there supply and demand here?
this is the 1 minute right here. You said where?
Is there supply and demand in the zone?
No, there isn't. There is no supply whatsoever if you're trying to sell. So we're not in a zone. We did sweep liquidity though, so that's the only thing that could actually propel you to go lower once you break the 15-minute breakout.
But this would be one of those days where our strategies line up, though. Simply, so
But
I
like,
would be in there.
look at 8:30. Look at 8:30. No, our strategies would not line up because I'm leaning bullish and you're already bearish from the 15-minute open. You know what I mean?
But it confirms it though. It follows the trend.
Uh, let's see. Let's see if it does follow the
Like
trend because
I
this
would
is
have took profit at the 15 and then still came in with you.
on the 15-minute pro trend. We just made a push low, so we could just based off market structure, high, low, internal high, lower
Yo, did the
low.
market shut? I'm looking at our trade right now too, Simple. It seems
Yeah.
like it just stopped.
We entered poorly. Look at my screen. Look at my screen.
You looking at the? Okay, I'm coming back
Yeah, our entry, we shouldn't have entered here. I knew it. I knew we shouldn't have entered here. Like,
today.
yeah, we should not have entered there. It's not the most optimal area to
That's what
enter
that
from.
guy was saying too.
Yeah, our entry is right here. This was our entry down here. We'd covered this low right here. And then our R would be, instead of targeting that whole high, we could just target right there. That would be 2R right there. This is ideal right here. This is just, yeah, because like I just literally evolved my approach instead of covering this whole fucking low. That's disgusting. That's actually disgusting. I would enter here and then ride the wave. But like, yeah, exactly. If I get stopped here, we are in more discounted areas. So
He
honestly,
was telling me
I
we
would
might get stomped out.
I would enter right here. Yeah, this would be my next entry after the sweep. But like this overall zone is where I'm interested in. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I get that.
Hoy vamos a nadar, hoy. Fuck, this is texting me in Spanish, bro. What the hell?
Who is texting you?
My little brother, bro. Okay, let's continue. Let's keep going. But like, this is where we went wrong for today. You know what I mean? This was not ideal. But like for your 15
He
minutes,
kept saying, "You new to trading, huh, bro? Why'd you enter?"
yeah, this is definitely, it's just not optimal because of risk to reward ratio, and it's the wrong zone. It's not the right zone. It's just I just really like this rejection. That's the thing. We
Yo,
swept.
we can't enter like anything right now, right?
Nah, this is not the best time. I want to enter when the markets are. Even today is a bank holiday too, so it'd be less volume. But it don't matter. Yeah, L entry. You know, I'll accept. That's why we even risked 1% because like we knew we were too high. That's the thing. We didn't go full size. I'm glad
Nah,
we
we
didn't.
we risked 0.5.
You risked point. No, we risked 1%.
It said 0.25.
No, that's our lot. Our lot size was 0.02. We're both in for $60 right now. Oh,
Actually,
yeah.
nah, it's all good, man. I don't blame you.
0.01 times 5K.
It's my fault for missing my 15-minute breakout and then coming in with you.
Yeah. I mean, even the 15 minute, I wouldn't even take it, bro, because I mean, it's
Yo,
aligned. It's aligned.
on the matcha trader though, how do I make sure I'm not trading on yours?
You just gotta know
Or is
which
whatever I do only account for that one?
account size. You see this on the top?
Yeah.
You're not looking at. You see where it says demo, and then 5, 6 numbers, 7 numbers.
No.
It's at the top left. It's next to the funding pip sign. To the right of it, it says demo.
I'm on matcha trader,
Yeah, exactly. I'm on Match Trader too.
match trader.
Yeah,
I don't see. All I see is I'm on the phone. That's why.
you're on the phone. Okay. Nah, I don't know on the phone though. But yeah, we'll see what this does, man. Let's see what it do. Let's keep back testing. You see my screen,
Yeah.
right? I bet.
This is what it shows on my screen. I'll send you a screenshot.
Send me a screenshot. But no, we are definitely not. But we are trading on the same email, bro.
Yeah, you're actually insane for that, bro. Mind
I
you.
knew it. That's the thing. I knew beforehand, but I still did it, bro, because I'm a fucking gremlin.
Because you believed it. You see, it worked out.
Nah, it's because I took the proper measurements. I didn't go full risk because I knew we weren't in the. But like I like yeah. That's where a little bit of discretion came in. I'm trying to get rid of that a little bit. Yeah, it's not showing. Click that down arrow to your left, to the right of your equity. What does that show you?
Hold up, going back.
To in the middle of the search button and the equity, there's a down arrow. Try to like,
I see balance, 2 accounts.
yeah. What do you see a number? You see 2 accounts, right?
I see equity, balance, free funding, free
Oh, I
funds,
see. Okay, equity balance, free
margin.
funds, margin level. Okay, that's what you see there. Yeah, that's the wrong one.
So I just hope this is like for mine only. We'll
No, no,
find
no,
out
no, no.
tomorrow.
Go to not portfolio, but go to more. Click more on the bottom right.
I see finance, inbox, account
Nice.
setting. Oh, actually, I see it right here. The evaluation.
What?
Step
What's
page. They got different numbers.
what number?
I'm 2005580. You're 91.
80. No, that's me. That's me. I'm 580. I'm 580. You're the other one. You are 591.
Okay, so we put both trades on your account. Let's
No,
go.
we didn't. No, we didn't. We took both trades. It's because it's connected to one. These are we're doing two evaluations at once right now. You know that, right?
Yeah. Nah, cause
Wait,
the
wait,
5,000
no,
one is not.
yeah,
It's
that's
not
because you
included.
executed on mine. That's funny as fuck, bro. Yo, you completely executed on mine, bro. That's hilarious. I'm in two. Okay, that's why my risk is double, bro. I'm risking 120 right now. That's sick, bro. I could have just went in. Yeah, wow. Yeah, yours is fresh. I'm looking at yours right now. That's insane. I bet.
We still gonna share the.
Yeah, I'ma still hold it. I'm not gonna lie. Also, I'ma still hold it.
Nah, I mean we splitting that profit, nigga.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I don't know how we can. It's an eval, so we can't really. We're not really getting paid, unfortunately. We're working
It
towards it.
helps you out. If it helps you out.
No, I'm in 2% instead of 1% right now. So yeah, I didn't go half size on the trade. I thought, okay, you know what I thought? I thought like both were connected, but it's not. Okay.
Yo, you lucky I didn't trust my gut instinct to do more.
Nah, bro. I'm always no way, bro. There's no way. We just weren't in the right area for max conviction, bro. But anyway, let's keep going, man. You can see my screen. Oh shit. I'm just gonna backtest mine. I'm gonna add your
Now go
15
ahead.
minute 15 minute each. I'm gonna stop at 8:15 at each day. This trade hit TP. We didn't sweep a daily low. Actually, I think we did. So this daily low right here. So this could be gone. This is irrelevant. This is not relevant anymore. This is not relevant. Okay. So we swept this daily high up here. We broke below this low right here. This is the high we rejected from. This is my bearish zone. Okay. And this we swept this daily low right here from the previous day. We can even use. Okay. Let's trade hit TP. All right, cool. Dude, broke up here. Boom. No, we broke this candle. This would have been my bullish zone. Oh, bullish. Okay. Let's just go on the 3 minute. This would give me my impulse candle. Candle prior. Yeah. I would have taken this short here, covered this low. Oh, sorry, this long here, covered this low. Yeah, that hit 4R, bro. That's ridiculous. We would have taken
With both
this.
our strategy,
No, 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 no. That was my entry was here, but the 15 minute, 8:15 is right here. So we have the 8:15 right there. Go on the 1 minute. Yeah. What would you do here? Let's say this was down here, like that. Not even. Let's just go before the breakout. So you're in that range, right?
yep.
Boom.
Play it out a little bit more. I wouldn't trade. Wait for one more confirmation.
That candle.
Uh, yeah. That one, I probably wouldn't trade.
Why is that? Because you do you look at the daily at all?
It took off too far from the.
From the initial breakout. Okay.
Yeah, like the retest should have been a little bit closer. Since I don't account for liquidity sweeps
Yeah.
with my strategy, you know?
Yeah. Hold on. I gotta hold on, hold on. I gotta answer this call. Give me a second.
Take your time.
All right, bet. Okay, so this broke out, and this is already at 8:43. So you wouldn't really be interested in this opening range breakout for today, right? Or but you would
No.
incorporate the bullish. Wouldn't you use like the bullish direction? You know what I mean? Not the direction.
Yeah, look at the
Like the
daily.
sweep. So we swept the daily. With structure, we're confirming in
Because you can't enter the trade right there, right?
yeah.
Where you marked out.
Yeah, my entry would be right here, and I'd cover at least this low, and I'll just target
Okay.
the next high or the previous day high. This
Yeah,
has potential to go even higher.
simply, if you're in the market with me, I'm going for double entry on the direction you are.
Okay, okay. So
On a lower time frame. Go to a lower time frame of what
yeah,
you would do.
let's go on the 1 minute. What I would do, yeah, exactly. This is honestly, I'll only want to go as low as the 3 minute to give me my like imp. Actually, will give me
Because
my
that would have been
impulse candle.
eating, nigga.
Yeah, I like even the 5 minute. Let me just check the 5 minute.
Eating, bro.
Yep. The candle prior. So my initial entry would be here, to be honest. No, not really.
And then when does the market open?
Just trying to see. Hold on.
Because what time is that you're marking out right now with the
What
arrow?
time? Wait, what arrow?
Because the market opens at
Oh,
the where the lines start, right?
yeah, the
On the
market.
right.
Yeah, exactly. So the market opened.
So you're
So this is
what
the
would be your
whole.
realistic entry?
This is the whole London session open to the close or like the first 3 hours of the London session. That's what I'm trading. I'm mostly interested in the first 3 hours.
So
And
you
then
would be in London sessions?
no. I do not wake. I'm not waking up at 2 fucking a.m. to you know what I mean? I'm not doing
Yo, we
that.
can do that though?
You can, bro. You can.
Yo,
I
okay, okay.
the ideal entry would have been here, but like price rejected and tested back again. This is still valid, you know what I mean? So I'll take it,
What
you know.
time does what market is that? England?
This is what you mean? This is the GU. This is GU.
For GU, the place where you would have entered, what market is that?
Actually, this is pre-market. This is 725. I wouldn't even enter here. I wouldn't even enter here. I would probably enter right here when the market opens, right there.
Like right away?
Yeah, I would enter right away because look where we already rejected from, and then we're here. We're also in
What time
this
frame is
zone.
that?
This is the 5 minute time frame. I would enter here, but
Yes, man.
I could honestly even close
I would
my
have
trade
took
right here
profit 2 times in that trade.
in this trade right here
Yeah.
on the 15 minute. How? So let's go on the 1 minute. This is the 15 minute range for the day.
I go to the 1 minute.
Yep, this is the 1 minute. Let me get a caps out.
I would have put my I would have put my stop loss lower and then just entered from a different place.
Where?
Cause where would you have entered? Like you're already in the trade, right?
Right here. I would honestly even if I saw price doing even if it was up here, even if it was right here, I would enter like right there and then just cover this overall low. If I got in too late, if I'm at the open and I'm seeing all this is all working out. As soon as price
So I'd be in
opens,
like a little bit above you with like lower stop loss. I'd risk more on those days.
oh, okay, I see. Just based off my entry.
Cause it will get that sweep.
Right, exactly. Oh, okay, so you're anticipating the 15 minute sweep. Not the sweep, but the breakout.
Yeah, cause that's all that strategy targets is like strong breakouts.
I see. Is that what that guy trades?
Nah, he does something else. He was telling me, bro. He
See,
says he does trading that applies to all markets. So wherever he can get in, he's getting in.
well, I need to see all the moving parts to his like approach. You know, his
I'm gonna try to get him, bro. But that nigga be busy though, bro. He'd be crazy if you get a call.
yeah, no, he needs to recover, but he's in surgery. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother him.
Nah, besides that, bro, he's like he got
Oh, I see.
3 to 5 houses that he got building at the moment, bro. And like his rental people. And that
Yeah,
comes with a lot of paperwork.
true. Oh, busy man. But man, yeah, let's keep going. Let's
And
keep
whatever
going.
it takes to get the bag.
Let's keep going. Let me. Oh, this is gone. Okay, let's go on to the next 15 minute. All right. So this would have hit 2R minimum. Even if we entered late, our 2R would be right there. Let's see if price gets there. No, it doesn't. But like that's why timing is so important, bro. You got to be on the markets even before 8 o'clock. Honestly, I would wake up like 7:30 just to like mark it out. But like you wouldn't want to enter immediately. But yeah,
I'm gonna start marking it out while I'm shitting then in the mornings.
yeah, yeah. That's a good time. Just, like 30 minutes before market is more than enough, honestly. Okay.
To see if there's a liquidity.
So we didn't. Yeah. So we didn't. Just get rid of this.
This on the 15?
Yep. I mark out my daily
Look at the
highs and
1 minute at that
lows
breakout. Look at the 1 minute at that breakout.
on this
I'm
session.
trying to see if I
Oh
would
shit.
have where the market starts.
Right here.
Left, like all the way where your line starts for the 15 minute.
Oh, right here.
Open market.
This one.
Yeah, that's the first 15.
Yeah. No, this is the first 15. That's just my break and test zone.
Oh,
But
show me
the
the
first
first
15 is
15.
right. Yeah. This is the high. That's the low right here. If you go on the 1 minute, this is the previous day, by the way.
Yesterday?
Yep.
I know yesterday hit, bro. If it's on USD British,
No, this is
there's
not
no point in
this is not
checking.
yesterday. This is January 14th. Remind you, we're backtesting this.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, look,
I would have hit profit, bro.
price gave a reaction from here, but immediately it dumped.
Cause zoom in
Because look
to
where we
where
are.
I would have
Look
entered,
where we are. Okay. Hmm. Wait, zoom into where you entered.
where I would have entered.
Where would you have entered?
Okay, yeah, today's not a clear indication. The gap, there's too much of a gap. I wouldn't be in today. I'd
Okay.
see if you had a liquidity sweep or some on this type of day.
Yeah, I mean we're already assuming based off the previous day's sweep. That's our main like catalyst. But like session highs and lows, equal lows, all that shit is also viable. Could say this is a bunch of like
But
support here, we swept, but sorry, resistance.
that's the only time I'm gonna change my believe it. So I'm gonna believe in this too.
Let's go. Okay. So we are at the first 15 right here, the next day.
Yep.
No, the candle's down here, I think. Is it?
And then what's the trend of the market for the daily or the hour? They both
hourly's
so
making
general downtrend.
lower lows, lower highs, yeah. So at this high, we had this low, we had this high. Now we proceeded to make a lower low.
And then when was the lowest? And then where's the nearest liquidity sweep to that on the low point? The lowest. It'd be right there.
Yeah, this is because this is the daily low, and I think we took. Yeah, that's why we dumped so much. This is the daily high.
So it took the daily low and there's no higher high.
Yeah, but we
Okay,
took
and
the
then go
daily
to the
high
one
right
minute.
here. We took this daily high right here. We made a lower low, correct?
So there's
See,
got to be a
no,
new
this is on
daily
the
high.
hourly. Sorry, this is on the hourly. I like to analyze on the 15 minute. I don't go any higher, bro. I don't even check the
It's
daily.
the lower low.
Huh?
it's going lower low.
Exactly.
So I just follow that trend, bro. Since the last sweep didn't get hit,
So you'd be looking for a bearish breakout?
yeah.
Okay. So for me, wouldn't do anything because our main entry was up here because what did we do? We swept this daily high. Just
Let's see
carried
if
through
I would get
here.
stomped out
This was
today.
my zone. See, we marked the zone out right here, but we didn't come into it within our session. So that's why I was still bullish from here. Because this didn't
Now, but I still
proceed to
gotta wait for the
Mhm.
confirmation
Exactly.
on the 15th
Yeah.
or on the 1 minute. I'd
Uh,
see how it plays out.
yeah, you want to look at, I'm gonna just go to the 1 minute because like for now, this took the daily low, but we're not seeing internal structure or anything like that, so we could continue bearish, but I wouldn't know where to enter pro trend from this. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, zoom
I
in and then we play it out.
okay. So this is the first
Whoa.
15 minutes. That's the
Okay, so
this
it
is
hit
8:30
that.
this is 8:35.
It hit that. The retest wasn't
It
it
closed.
wasn't bearish,
It
so I'm gonna
closed.
keep waiting a little bit.
Okay. Keep waiting. What now?
I would enter. I would enter.
Bearish here?
Yeah,
Where would your stop be? The next candle?
that
Here?
right there.
Which one? This one?
Right there's good. Around there. Me, it's a general estimate for me.
Okay.
I don't have like a fixed stop loss yet.
Yeah. Alright, bet. That's fire. 2.5, 3. Okay. So where
Yeah,
would you
that's
be
why I
out?
go for smaller profits. I
Yeah.
go for smaller profits.
Yeah. Because it also delivered
Cause
to the
I'll
low.
yeah, I'll take consistent wins over right strategy or anything.
Consistent wins. You're right. Exactly. Yeah. Here we go. So that hit 2R right there on that day.
Cause you gotta remember, bro, you're
Mhm.
not in the market for a concept. You're in there for money, bro.
But the concept is what will make me the money. That's the thing. It's correlated. You know what I mean? I get your approach. Honestly, we just I feel like we're just bro, we can view the market in so many different ways. We just have it's unique to each of us.
Our risk tolerance is different.
Exactly. I would say 100% is different. But yeah, for me on this day, I wouldn't really be doing anything. Let's just continue.
But I also do take into account though, there will be a liquidity sweep, right?
Okay, here. This is
So on the days there aren't simply where I get stomped out on a day like random day,
but look where
I
you're
would be
selling.
going for like 2R.
Okay, I see.
I would go for 2R or 6R on the days you're on the market with me.
I see. Okay. All right, bet. Let's see.
So the losses would still be offset by profit.
I hope that that thought process is like solid. It works, but I don't know how to.
You'll see it, bro. Don't worry.
I don't know how to test it. That's the thing. How do you test it? Because like right here,
Find
look at
find
right.
your setups,
I did. Look. Let's
and
look
then
at.
I'll be in the market.
Let's look at the next day. Let's look at the previous day. So we swept this low right, and then we had this zone right here. We were supposed to be bearish, or it would have been nice if this was happening during London instead of, or sorry, New York instead of London. But like this would have also been valid just to take in the New York London session. That's why but I don't wake up in New York, sorry, London session. Cuz I look,
What time is
would be on the
what time is London session open?
2 a.m.
Yeah, I'm up at that time.
You're up at that time?
I'll be up at that time.
Type shit.
I could schedule a shit for 1:30.
Mhm.
Cause nigga, I'm trying to
Impulse
simply.
candle.
When I hit 500 on here, bro, I'm quitting my job.
Yeah, see, the entry would have been here. The entry would have been here. We could
For our
even
time session,
we could even I'm saying in London. If I was trading London specifically, this is where I would have entered, and this would have delivered beautifully.
would we have to use a different prop firm for London shit?
No, no, you just wake up at that specific time and trade that way.
Oh, okay. Let's
But,
try the next day then.
but yeah, that's I only stick to New York. So there's also continuation setups. That's the thing. I'm not really as strong as in a continuation environment. You know, I'm most likely I like reversals instead of continuations. You feel me?
Yeah, I can't believe you got double trade on your account going today, man.
Ridiculous, man. I mean, it's not in profit right now. It's in a bit of drawdown because we entered at a horrible spot. I'm not gonna lie, we kind of fucked up today. Alright, fucked up.
Damn, damn, $120 just like that
That's about 2%, 2.5% almost, 2.2%.
of the whole account.
Yeah. My max loss is at 10%, but I'm gonna start risking 2% on proper setups instead of whatever the fuck that shit was.
Okay. Is there anything proper for tomorrow? Like anything building up or no?
NQ can retrace tomorrow if it's in the same area around here. I'd look to long.
What
But GU,
what
this
about the British
is back tested. But GU,
for tomorrow? Like any sweeps coming up? Damn.
see.
Hey, that should look. Ain't
Alright,
no high been broken. How long, bro?
so we had this sweep here, had this sweep here. For GU, see how we're still consolidating around this area?
Yeah.
If this breaks above, it will validate this this sweep right here. This test, this break test. It will validate this. It will create a high.
Yep.
Now it would just be my zone. And then I would go on like the 15-minute, and the candle that closed above it, the candle prior, I'd mark out. This would be my main entry. And then if this gets swept, it's just more discounted price. I'd cover maybe sort of block or whatever. This imbalance here, and then
So
just
you're thinking
continue.
about a double trade on that type of day?
Yeah, exactly. If we're still within the session. If we're still within the session.
Duh. With your strategy, that doesn't work out, bro. You can't.
What you mean?
Cause it's like
Bro, I wait for price to come to me, you know. I'm not, waiting. I don't go when it's showing me intent that it's going up. That's just,
but you just said if you get stomped out, you would go back in on another one right there.
because my zone is this is a zone that's been validated with a sweep and a break. You know what I mean?
And
My,
that's like 100% to hit. Usually.
it's not 100%, but it's I'm willing to take the risk to find out. You know what I mean? Because like back tested,
Like
I made profit. I'm in profit.
would you say 60% or 70%?
I don't know. I haven't put it into a calculator. Tracked the data 100%. So once I start
Why
forward
don't you
testing,
track it in that aspect though?
yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start journaling my trades on a every single day. Once I'm actually, I should actually journal this trade specifically, but like it's not. I didn't take it based off my system. I just entered off the immediate test. You know what I mean? I didn't wait for price to come into my level whatsoever.
Nah, I feel it.
So it's like, what we doing? But yeah,
What we
I
doing,
liked it.
fam?
Okay. Yeah. So that's why you
We
need to
getting
like
money.
take the right setup so your data can reflect the right information. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because if you want to actually figure out your win rate, you can. You can on a series of 100 trades, you can figure out your win rate that way. So you just gotta document 100 consecutive trades, and you'll see a bench of like,
That's what I'm gonna do with this 15-minute thing,
bro.
bro.
That's what I'm saying. Journal every single trade, screenshot where and everything, and like read it. Yeah, just build a journal. Solid. Okay. Where we at? GU right here. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Wait, which one was I in replay? This
We
one.
cooking out here, Sam.
Oh, bro. Okay. All right. Bet. What do we do? Why did I mark this? This is 15-minute. This is not even. I don't consider this one like two leg break. Okay. So we have the zone. If we respect it and go higher, that'll just confirm our area. We did not. You would be using the 15-minute here. You'd be using the 15-minute highs, say 8:15 highs and lows. Okay. We're not respecting this. We didn't speak a daily high, so I'm not really interested in anything here. Can't really just take it based off the buys either. Could just sell, yeah. Alright, let's up this daily low. On to the next day. Oh shit.
You know what I'm wondering?
Yeah. Set
Should
this
we
daily
look at
high.
strategies that support the liquidity and the other one, or just test out both?
Nah, you don't need anything more than, or at least I don't. You know what I mean? Honestly, this is my whole approach right here. It could be perfectly fine. It's
Because
perfectly
what
fine
you're
by
doing is
itself.
confirmation for me too.
Yeah, exactly.
But I'm thinking about it as double profit, bro. If you really know how to like use it.
Uh-huh. So this is my zone. Um, 5 minute, 3 minute. Just looking for the strong bullish candle, bro. Yeah, see how we came back into the London session. London session would be pretty sweet, I ain't gonna lie, but it we can try to catch the continuation of the 15 minutes. So ideally here, I would be interested in buys right here. So what would you be looking for here? The 15-minute break and test, right?
Yep, mark it out.
This is the high. This is the low. Hold on, I just need to find my impulse candle. Okay, so this is my, alright, yeah, I can just look for it on the 15 minutes. So this is my ideal entry. We took it out, right? And then
Yep.
so my stop would be right, stay right here. We took it out right here. This would be my entry. We took it out, but I'd immediately have a position loaded right here. And then just cover the lows, target the highs. And this is a daily high right here, so I would honestly even break even. Ah, damn. We did sweep it. We did sweep it already. So this already delivered. No, 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 no. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. It did not deliver. It delivered once we entered. But like if this was already swept, I would not be interested to buy anymore. You know what I mean? Because we already took out liquidity, could dump from there. But yeah, we entered 2R right there. In New York, but this is London. So we marked that out. Okay, all right, let's go down to the 1 minute. That's all I needed to find that impulse candle, because that's where I'm gonna enter again from. All right, bet. So this is the 15-minute, 8:30. All right, what you saying right here? Just based off,
Let me
I'm
zoom out.
bullish right now. I'm bullish on the overall daily and 15-minute
I would have bought. I would have bought.
off of.
I would
This
have
is the
bought that
initial
second
candle.
candle.
This one right here.
No, no, no. The one where like just the line breaks through, I would have bought on the next one. So the candle that's halfway between the line,
This one
I'd
right
be
here.
buying.
This candle
Yep, I would buy at like the low for that one.
right here.
Yep, I'd buy the low.
All right, bet. Where would your stop be?
Way lower than that. Way lower. Around there.
Down here?
Lower. Make it closer to the candle.
Oh, you mean higher? Okay, okay, okay. Right here.
Yeah.
That's
Yep.
your stop.
And then and then I'd go for like 2p. I'd be in there less than 15 minutes too.
Exactly. You were not even in there for 5 minutes. It's 1 5-minute candle.
Like you see what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, but
So and
like,
if I noticed you're at a buy, I would do a double trade
I see.
going up.
So would you take the position from my entry and then your? Nah,
Because I
cause
would
like,
have
look,
took
look,
that
look.
one
Wait, wait, wait,
regardless.
wait,
You're
wait, wait,
bearish.
wait. This
You're
didn't come.
bullish.
This didn't come into my entry zone in London, in New York. Sorry. This didn't enter in New York. You know what I mean? So I honestly I wouldn't even be in any sort of buy from here up here. So I would
Okay.
wait and see if the session gives me any like any bearishness. It's the 15-minute. Yeah, price just goes higher and higher. Yeah, I would not be. That's what I mean. This is a continuation. I'm not really good at continuations. I'm mostly looking for a reversal. You know what I mean? So if London is, I want New York to be mitigating my zones, not London. So if London mitigates, it most likely will continue the trend in New York. But on to the next, I suppose.
What are you looking for in a continuation, though?
What I'm looking for in a continuation is if we respected my original zone within London. So if London's bullish, either New York will reverse or continue. That's the only way, or consolidate. So if we want a reversal, we would probably want a daily high to be swept like this. So then a daily high, yeah. We'd want a daily high to be swept here. See how this daily high was swept? And then London reversed it, or sorry, New York reversed it.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, because this is consolidated, no, London, New York, sorry, London consolidated before New York. We manipulated and then we reversed uh, in New York. Same with here. We kind of manipulated before London, before the previous New York. We consolidated in New York, we manipulated, and then we reversed in London. So the reversal in London happened. We'd get the continuation within New York. That's how I see it, pretty much.
That is pretty complex.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
But that's the way I've just that's the way I approach it. And then using the daily highs and lows and like the structure, the market structure, that gives me like my
Yeah.
ideal zones to enter from with aligned daily direction with the daily sweep. So it's just stacked. So daily sweep. So it's like daily sweep, market structure, and that's it. It's basically daily sweep and market structure. That's my and break and tests. That's it. That's literally the three moving parts of my strategy.
I
Yeah.
bet. Let's test another day.
This is when I was trying to like get into the volume or not volume the macro. So I had Claude create me this dashboard right here, but I also had it create me all of these.
Mm.
Where is it? SMC macro. Yeah, this is the main conviction. This is the main conviction dashboard. It tracks like the VIX, DXY, US 10-year gold, oil, and you know what I mean? And then the yield curve, copper. That's about it. So this would just be the macro, but like this gave me so many so many weight convictions. You know what I mean? Because it'll tell me when to
Yeah.
long or short as well. It's ridiculous. I wasn't really fucking with it. Macro takes weeks to like fucking develop, bro. It's disgusting. That's
Mm.
why I'm just gonna avoid high impact news and just call it a day with just straight up technicals. Okay, let's get. We're coming up to New York. This is the first.
Yo, fuck the news.
Fuck the news, mate. Okay. Boom. So this is the 15-minute range right here. What did we do? We swept this daily high. No, we are respecting this daily high. What we have swept is this previous day high right here. Price made a leg down. Okay, what am I looking at? This can go. This is still valid area for me. Wait. I want to find another one. Okay, right here. I'm gonna get rid of this. So we have these two zones. Honestly, I'm interested in this zone as well.
So I would have profited. Oh, wrong one. I'm zoomed in too.
Look at that, bro.
When you zoom in, I'm zoomed in. So it's like I'm cooked.
So what are you looking at? Oh, you're on your phone. Oh my god, bro.
Hey,
Yo,
I'm here for profit, nigga. Don't even think
bro,
about it.
bro, I'm telling, bro, you can understand conceptually a little bit better. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, yo, get that laptop next time. I'm not gonna lie.
It died.
GG.
But then again, I get paid to do nothing, so it's like
It's facts.
take it with a grain.
But no, it's cold though. But anyway, but you can see what I'm looking at, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So daily sweep, structure confirmation. We mark out the impulse candle. We wait for price to tap in, and then we leave. That's pretty much it. So what we're looking for is a daily high. We didn't close in, but like this is the area I was interested in. This tapped in 1 a.m. Pre-market London. So we
So
could
what are you looking for here?
we could if we return back into here, I'll take the long from here.
Okay.
Just cover this low.
Okay, play it out in the 1 minute, and then I'll let you know if I would have been
Cover
in
this
there.
low. Yeah, if price taps into here, I'm in the long trade. But like for you, this is the 15 minute, just the 15 minute range. Yo.
Gonna call?
Yeah, 1 second, brother. Oh fuck, nigga, the cops outside. But anyway, look, what would you have done in this scenario?
Zoom in.
Hold on. All right, let me zoom in. All right, peep that. These red lines are.
Okay, so it broke my shit,
Yeah,
and
it's
then
at
it's
8:30.
continuing up.
We had to
Okay,
close.
I'd buy.
We had to
I'd
close
buy.
right here. Yeah,
I'd
so
buy.
you buy right there.
I'd buy right there.
Let's just say right here,
And
cause
then
it's 1 minute.
no. I would have bought right there, bro. Go back, nigga.
Right here,
Talk
you would
about
wait
me.
for that 1 minute to develop. All right, but
No, I wouldn't wait for it to
not
develop.
to
I damn
develop.
sure I
That's what
would
I
have
mean.
closed.
Yeah, while it's
And
developing.
then I put it at the low of the previous candle.
Well, you would try the candle close. You feel me? Cause like this closed right here, but you would okay, of course, and you would cover down here, right?
No, I put it at the low for the last candle before it.
This
Yep,
this
right
gray
there.
one. Okay, but
Yep.
just your 2 R's right there. Let's go. Ideally, I would be waiting for my entry down here. Clean. That hit 2R right there. Let's see if let's see what it does from here, cause this could
And then if
be
you said
resistance.
you were buying when?
I was buying down here. This is where I have my long position tool. Yeah, it's just the tap. It's within here, about 15R,
Damn,
and you
bro.
were at 3R. Bro, I have 5 times the many. That's my stop loss size. Yeah, let's see if it continues. Okay, this is continuing higher. It's just going back to the 15 minute. If it doesn't test my zone, bro, I'm not stressing, man. I'm telling you, the trade will come to me.
I would have been happy, bro.
You would have been in and out. You're out. You're out of there. But like, there you go. This isn't really my entry, but yeah.
I got a mean
Price
call.
already tapped here at like at 1 a.m. That's the thing. It already appreciated. So I'll see what it
You
does.
think you would respect it there though? What time is it that
I'm
it
not
tapped your
entering that
zone?
outside of my key time window. So this is 1 a.m.
No. The one it tapped your zone again though, right there.
Right here. This is outside my zone right here. This is at 2 p.m. I'm not on the markets, bro. After 11, after this candle closes, bro, I'm done. I'm out of there. Go about my day, bro. This my fish. The fish are not biting today. Yeah.
I feel it. That's why.
And this is a daily low
Yeah.
right
So
here.
on a day like this, I would have took just that trade and left. If you had nothing.
Yeah. But no, we still develop. That's the thing. Price will develop. You know, the trade is around the corner, my guy. I'm telling you, it's not the end. If I don't get a trade today, bro, always tomorrow. But peep this. So let me just do this. That was the 15
I
minute.
think about it like,
You would
if
have
I
been
lose in a trade today, I'ma double up a simple. Yo,
double up.
that shit rhyme.
That's a bar, bro. Okay.
Yo, if I don't hit today, I'ma double up a
Some
simple.
type shit.
God,
That's
come
cold. So we
on.
have this one like to like we got this right here. We didn't reach. Okay. So the bearish. The bears are pretty much in control off this daily sweep. We're in Asia. That's London. What did we do? We didn't close below here yet. We're about to. This validates my zone. Okay, we're selling dramatically from London. The close was at this candle, the candle prior. This would be my ideal entry. Okay. What am I looking at? This bullish, yeah, this bullishness is nonsense, mate. This is the previous day low. Okay. So the sellers are in control based off shit. This daily high sweep. Confirmed it with a bearish market structure. Two legs. Okay. So and then now we closed below this right here, which also gives me my second zone, which is right here. Price rejects from here. Coming toward New York. Okay. Price returns into here within my zone. This just hit at 8 a.m. Sorry, this is the 8 a.m. candle right here. I would be in this trade right here. I would be in right here. What you saying? This is the first 15 minutes right here. This is pretty much aligned, bro. Do you see this shit?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the 15-minute. This is its high. Fuck, I'm gonna move this just to keep it out the way. But we are bearish right there. This is the low. So what would you do here? Would you enter from my point right here, anticipating the bearish break and test, or what? 'Cause this is the 15-minute range right here, this high and this low.
Okay. I'd wait a little bit, let it play out.
Looks like it's gonna break up to the upside a little bit.
Okay, I wait for the next candle. Then the next.
This is 8:32.
No, I really wouldn't enter this one
You wouldn't enter bearish here? Okay. So I would be entered right here. This
because
would
I
be
don't
my
want to go
entry.
against the market, and then I do see
Correct.
it's questionable if it's gonna break that high. You know?
Yeah, and my last trade is right here. So we got stopped out here. This is my two trades. Right here. Just the 2R. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But yeah. We haven't hit 2R yet. 2R is right here. Sorry, 4R. Tripping. Okay, boom. That's 4R right there. And what we could do is even target the daily low.
Because you know, simply
Yeah,
I don't doubt your strategy. I just
correct.
believe it takes more of a setup to do.
It's patience.
So on the days,
It's
yeah.
patience.
So on
Yeah.
the days it's not. I'm good. On the days it's there. I'm in there with you. If
Exactly, bro.
it's not,
But like,
I'm
what you
still in
mean?
there
What you
without
mean
you.
by that though? How you? Cause like, okay, we both took separate trades. You said you wouldn't have entered there, but my analysis was telling me that I'm gonna go. Is probably it's showing all my confluences to go short. You know what I mean? So
Cause
where are you connecting the two? Is what I'm saying.
cause I'll still put in that 15-minute breakout
I
and
see.
then go for your liquidity sweep too.
Okay, but what if it happened? Wait, okay. How would you do it right here? Would this example be a good example to show it on? Like how you
Cause the 15-minute is the start of that line, right?
exactly. This is the high and the low of the 15-minute. This one right here. This is the high and the low
So
of
is
day.
the market bearish or or bullish on a higher time frame?
For the hourly, we are making lower highs and lower lows. Essentially, we're expecting bearish market structure.
So it's bearish.
Yeah, that's what the one hourly structure is like.
What's the daily?
The daily, uh, previous day was bullish. Previous day was a
What
bullish
about the
candle, but
current
the
day?
current
Is it
day
starting out?
we are within a bearish candle. We're forming a bearish candle, but it could definitely flip by the end of the day. But we won't know until the day closes at around like 5 p.m.
So on a day like that, it's like depending on how much profit I got, bro. I might say fuck it.
I don't understand. What do you?
I
I see.
believe I'm gonna make money in any market,
Mm,
any market. Cause bro, you remember when I back in the day when I did try trading?
yeah.
Would you believe me if I said I was getting money in consolidation, nigga?
That's what you need to avoid, bro. You're ignoring all the fundamental rules. Nah, no, 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 no. It's not even, bro. You can definitely make money in a consolidated market as well. You know what I mean? Of course. It's just why would you want to? You know, it's fucking consolidating. You know, it's like why would you even risk anything like that?
Cause I could stomach that risk.
Yeah. No, it doesn't even matter if we're in a consolidated market, to be honest. As long as my setup shows, I'm gonna take that bitch, bro.
Yo, cause as soon as we pass this one, I'm about to get that $300 one and then trade on both.
Yeah, and this hit 3R right here. Not until the next day. Yeah, but the breakout, see how it doesn't align? Like we broke out bullish, but we instantly reversed because we are at a higher
Would I
time
have
frame.
taken profit on the one on the lower time frame though?
Yeah, but like look on the 1 minute, where would you even? Okay, for this example is what I'm trying to say right here. You said you wouldn't. This is clearly
It's
making bullish structure, right? So you would have definitely been in. You would have definitely been in after this break.
okay. I was
You'd
looking at the
you'd
line
you'd
below
be
it,
you'd be in right here, but then your stops would be right here. You would still make 2R. That's the thing. If you just go off the break, you still even make 3R. That's the thing. You're still making profit.
just off the break, bro. No,
Yeah,
no matter what,
you're still in
it's like
profit.
that.
But me
Cause it's
where I'm
like
yeah.
high odds of hitting. I feel like
But look at the difference. Look at the difference. You know what I mean? The
of
difference
how much
is
you make,
not how much
but
I
you
make.
make the same
Just
profit.
exactly. But it's higher probability because I'm pro trend. I'm with the trend. You know what I mean?
But what if I tell you I'm taking both those trades?
That's what I'm trying to figure out how you would do that. You know what I mean? Let's say you enter bullish
'Cause
here with
you would figure out your strategy, and I would
yeah.
just come in with mine.
My entry would be here, but you would also enter from here, taking the
Cause
buys
I
and then
trust you
selling.
to figure out the setup. You know,
Hmm. Okay, type shit.
if it lines up on one of those days, like you see a trade for you, I'm in there with you. If
Type
I
shit.
see that 15 minutes still, I'm taking it.
Yeah. What's up? What does
Like
this
you
shit do?
would be the doubling factor simply. That's what you're not understanding.
I'm trying to figure out how that would work in theory, like when you not in theory, but like in practice. How do we implement that right now?
So if I see my 15-minute structure breakout, right?
You would enter that.
But but you see something lining up for like later, I'll still take
Bearish.
that one right there.
Okay, so you'd enter both. So you'd buy here and then sell here. That's the only
Yeah.
explanation I can come up with.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
W.
that one is still gonna do both of them do what I need, you know?
Yeah.
So it don't even matter.
Both of them don't do what you. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. All right. Yeah. But one is breaking up bullish, and the other one. This like they contradict. They're pointing in two different directions. Is what I'm
But it don't
what I'm
matter.
saying.
I believe in profit simply, not strategy.
I cannot wrap my head around what the fuck you're telling me right now, bro. Yo, this is sick. Oh my days. Anyway, yeah, let's go on to the next day. Alright, bet. Asia.
You wanna take a lunch break in a little bit?
Yeah, low key. I'm about to go. Yeah, I gotta piss and go get. Bro, I only had like a protein bar and some PB&J, bro. I'm not. That's all I'm operating on.
Because we can come back to this, bro. I'm not in a rush.
Yeah, no. I think is I gotta go somewhere at 4. That's the thing. So,
How far away is four for you?
it's 2 more hours. I keep forgetting it's like only noon for you. What the fuck?
Yeah, yeah.
Bro, you wake up mad early. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, West Coast or bro, West Coast probably have the worst trading times. I'm not gonna lie. Holy.
Now,
No, you have to wake up like 6 a.m.
early
to
to
catch New
rise,
York open.
early to bed makes a man young, healthy, and wise, man.
Bro,
I know you heard.
that's straight wisdom. Honestly,
I be
waking up
knocked out
early
by
is the
like 10.
okay, so that's how you do it. 10 o'clock? Is that
Yeah,
bedtime?
yeah. I can start getting sleepy, bro.
Nigga, I went to
I'm
sleep
gone.
like 1 a.m. last night.
It's because you're not an animal, bro.
Not an
But you
animal.
are. Same animal, different beast, bro.
Different
Come on.
bees. Okay, bet. Yeah, let's take a lunch break, bro.
It
Okay.
works. It works out better too. Like
Damn.
healthier sleep.
It's way, yeah, your circadian rhythm is in tune, my guy. Okay, look. Right here, that's the London 15-minute, sorry, New York 15-minute high-low. Okay. All right, let's just do the overall structure. All right, bet. So, I don't know if we swept
Do you
this
see
low.
anything for you in here?
I think we slept, we definitely swept that low, right? Am I tripping? Yes, we have. So we took a previous day. Fuck. Got rid of a market right there. I didn't mean to do that.
And this has been on one currency.
This has just been on GU this whole time.
Blessing, blessing. GU might be the one, bro.
Honestly,
Dump.
it works on any market. That's the thing. I saw like you can even test it with more volatile markets and see because like you'll get faster moves and longer moves as well on a more volatile
I
move.
was trying to see if I could get a sell in spy right now. I was checking.
SPY.
Yeah,
I don't have I don't have options. I have forex and futures.
you have trading view
I do have trading view. I can create a options tab real quick.
now, but you don't have to though. But it's like, yo, this candle has not moved in a minute. I'm like, what the fuck?
You said SPY.
Yeah,
June options
the ETF
22
one.
and the June 26. Oh, the ETF. Let's see.
ETF and trust that first one.
Spider ETF and trust.
Yep.
Oh, okay,
Because
bet.
it would
So
I
you
would have
use the NYSE ARCA?
broker don't
Okay,
matter.
all right, bet.
Broker don't matter.
Yeah, let me just make a new group. Oh, where the fuck is it?
Yo, I'm gonna see if I can piggyback off that nigga trades too on that side.
Yeah. Q, GU, gold, Euro. Okay. Is this FX? No, this is futures. All right, bet. Close that. This is futures, and this is. So you said SPY
Yo,
and
you
what?
know,
QQQ?
spy, nah, just spy right now. Or you can look at Q2, Q2. But add it on there.
Invesco Q Series 1. Which one?
The first one.
First one? All right, bet. Let me rename it. All right, bet. SPY. No, it's QQQ.
Okay, cause I'll look at spy. Yeah. So how would your strategy come into effect here?
Exact same way. The daily highs and lows. Okay, so we don't have an Asia session in here, so we can have even clearer daily highs and lows. So we can even go on the daily high. So we took this daily high and we swept this daily low.
Oh, that's crazy. Daily highs.
That's literally what I'm looking at. Yeah. But like I do it on the 15-minute time frame because I know where each on GU it's usually down. You know what I mean? I have New York, London, and sorry, Asia, London, New York. So I know the low is
Okay.
this is the daily low. You know what I mean?
And you're looking at the time frame for right now.
Exactly. I'm just looking at the most current, and yeah, but I don't know if
That
this is the daily low or the high. It don't matter. As long as we didn't sweep this daily high, we're smooth. Because like it doesn't show me the exact. It's like we're in replay mode, you know. So no, this is not replay
yeah,
mode. This is the current. This is the current market right now. But anyway, yeah, let's do this. So this is a daily high resides right here.
it's touching it
And
right now.
no, we already swept it. We already swept it. So we already swept this
Oh,
daily low down here as well. Okay. I want to see what we swept previous, because we definitely swept the previous daily high. Yeah, this is the one. But no, this is the current one that we need. We don't need the previous one. We need this one. So the price still has more to develop. If it sweeps this high, breaks below here, we can potentially see some bearish price action coming in, but wait for bullishness. Yeah.
you see your structure? Hello?
I bet, but yeah, I mean that's basically what I'm seeing on. So what's your approach on Spider then? Is it just the first 15 or Spy?
Let's see. Yeah, check the first
First 15
15.
minutes. So this is the 8:30. So my sessions are off. What time does so it opens 8:30. So is it the first 30 minutes of session open?
Are you looking at 15 right now? Mark the first 15, bro, like usual.
This is the 15-minute, but it doesn't open price doesn't open at 8 a.m. on this stocks on this
It's
one right
already
here on
open?
options. It opens at 8:30 every day, 8:30 a.m. So
Okay, so 8,
so it'd be 6:30
8:45.
for you. For you it'd be 6:30.
Yeah, so 8:35. Mark out that candle.
8:35. You mean 8:45?
15 minutes after the, yeah, mark
Yeah.
that one, 8:45.
Yeah. There
And
we
then
go.
go lower time frame.
The break here.
Yeah.
Price mitigated the touch even further. That's why I
Or
say
go to the,
like let it break up and then come down, because then you can enter bullish on any lower candle. You can enter here, 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 covering the basic low. You know what I mean? And you would just let this ride.
that shit would hit.
Yeah, but like you enter. Let me zoom in. So this is
Or
the
go to current
15.
time right now.
This is current time.
Like the what's happening right now.
Yep, this is 2:59 right here.
Did it touch the liquidity?
Where it took the
That
high.
line, that blue line.
Yeah, it took the daily high.
Is that shit shooting down or just me?
That is shooting down. Oh no, this is shooting down. This is bearish, bro. I just gotta change the colors because yeah, it's not.
Wait, so it's shooting down, right?
Yeah, it is. Hold on. Just gotta invert the colors. There we go. Now it's shooting down. See, daily high, boom. Or yeah, daily high. It's just dumping. But like we're not supported by structure quite yet. That's why I look at the structure beforehand. That's why I said we swept this daily low right here. But like structure isn't okay. Kind of did. Okay. So this is good right here. So we have this high right here. If we respect this, if we go higher, this will create a zone.
Yo, I guess I can't trade options unless I have 10K.
Oh wow. Yes.
What the fuck? I
Seriously?
tried to put a sell right now, bro.
10K? God damn. No, I don't think so. It depends on the contracts you're buying. I think. I don't really know. I'm not really an options guy.
Yeah, I can't trade unless I have one share.
Oh wow. You can't do micro
Yeah,
shares?
so fuck SP.
Yeah, it's kind of clean though, honestly. We could backtest this. You want to backtest it? Let's just backtest it.
Let's back to this.
Let's just go for the last 6 months. Let's start at February. Okay, cool. It's better to just look at the did we sweep this one? No. Is this a daily low? Yes, it is. So basically the daily lows are okay. So this be a daily high? Clearly not, right? Yeah, no. This is the daily high up here. And then this is this daily high.
Now let's go back to GU though. I feel like we're cooking on there.
Cooking on GU. Alright, bet, let's go. Because it shows multiple sessions, that's why. Just close this,
Yeah,
bro. We don't need that.
like your go-to hitter, it might be GU.
Yeah, honestly, these are my go-tos right here. They're my first stack. So it's Nas, Euro, GU,
You know what I see happening,
and
simply?
gold. These are my three stacks. Yeah. What's happening?
Oh, you gonna start believing it soon.
In what?
Wait, actually, go back to Spy. He said I was trying to trade the options, but I can trade the stock.
Okay. So I'm on spy right now. Oh no, this is not the current time frame though. We swept. Blah, blah, blah. We did swept these high. Did we sweep this high? No, we didn't. We sweep this high. We swept this high though. Oh, we did not respect the high. Okay, cool. So this is a 15-minute. Bro, the structure is absolutely beautiful though. What is this? It's just ridiculous. Yeah, this is actually beautiful. Wow.
I'm
Okay.
trying to see.
Did not close below there. It's definitely closed. I would enter off impulse candle. Candle prior is the order block. How convenient is that, bro? Look at this, bro. We could even cover this overall high. Let's target this low for 1.5 minimum. Break even. Target the low. 3R. Yeah, this is pretty sick. It makes clean structure though. Look at this. This is absolutely clean structure. Shit moves beautifully though. Okay, what have we done? Set the daily low. Set this daily low. Okay. This one. Mm, is this a daily high right here? I'm gonna use this one. Ooh. Okay. Let's just get rid of this. Impulse. Mm-hmm. Take it up there. There's no re-entry out of zone. Okay. Sure, this is a daily high, right? I just can't tell the daily highs and lows, bro. Yeah, that's perfect.
Nah, that shit didn't work out, bro. But do you see a liquidity line up over here?
Yeah, this is pretty much the same thing. It's just I can't tell the daily highs and lows apart as easily because it's only one session. So I really have to use the daily time frame more often just to look at it. But
Mm.
that's cold. Okay, continue higher. Second zone. Price
How
tests
reliable is
here.
that though?
How reliable is what?
Going off the daily highs.
It's a major source of liquidity. It's a large liquidity pool, so I would be out here. Damn, the sessions show up quick. Because there's no other London. There's no. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. If you want to go back to GU, I understand.
Yeah, I just want to see if I can catch a trade on here real quick though. So
How far are you back testing?
this is 2026, so it's just 6 months price action. It's not mitigating my zones, bruh.
It's not respecting it.
It's not mitigating it. It's just moving away from it. I'm in the right direction. However, it's not mitigating. Okay, so we're daily close. Are you looking at the same chart right now? Are we looking at the same thing?
Now I'm looking at your thing.
Oh, okay. All right, bet. All right.
I tried to trade it, bro, for a sell, but it was not letting me. It was tweaking.
Oh, I see. You can't place your order or what?
Nah, I might need a laptop.
Time is this 8:30, bro? Look at that. Isn't that ridiculous? 2 hour already.
Yeah.
I mean, we caught the entry right here. I would have put my limit here. We tapped in at 2:45 at 8:30. Open. We absolutely skyrocketed. Okay. Yeah, that took us out.
Damn.
It's volatile as fuck, but we took this high right here. Honestly, I would even re-enter. See. Two R's right here. 2R achieved. We could even 2.5. That's 5R. Could be not greedy and take our 5R right there. Yeah, it's respecting the zone, but now we could easily flip bearish because of this right here. We just haven't been confirmed bearish, so could probably get the continuation or not. Came into this zone. Pulse candle prior is here. But no, now we are sweeping another daily low, so I don't wanna use these zones anymore. We are not developing bullish, we are developing bearish. Okay, let's see if this lines up with a daily high or low. Yeah, that's daily low right here. Close enough. Anyway, yeah, there we go. Break. Now this zone is verified.
I would have been in 2 trades for that one if it let me do options. Just buy.
That's crazy. Oh, I'm not
Cause
looking
look at
at
the
the
first 15.
first 30 minutes. Sorry, the first
On a
15.
lower time frame, I would have got paid out.
Yeah, let me see.
Cause I'd be looking for a sell because of the market, the daily, you know.
Mm-hmm. Daily sweep right there. Yeah, this is your 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Broke below here, but we can says consecutively broke here. So I think you would enter around here, or would you enter here?
I would have sold at the top of that next one.
Top of the next one. This one right here.
Like, you see where it opened? Like, what time did it open? Near the beginning, where it first broke down the line.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
It opened at
'Cause I would have took
8:41. But this is
It
the
opened at
15-minute. This is the 15-minute high. The first 15-minute high and low right here. We broke below
Yeah,
right
but I'm
here.
already coming in looking to sell, you know?
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So you
Because
would have
I don't go against the trend.
type shit. Okay. But
So
yeah,
it's something I would risk.
right. Okay. Cool. So we verified this zone right here. Why was I trying to buy? Was I trying to
I
buy
was
from
trying to
here?
sell.
Oh, I tried to buy from here. Okay. Yeah, so we put this before this even developed, this is just is solid. This is a solid take profit because like it could
Nah,
develop
because that
bearish
give
from
me
here.
more confirmation. Because, like, you wouldn't want to get stomped out. So I'd put my take profit at your stop loss.
Yeah, that's pretty much a hedge, but like on a
If you
different end, where you're pretty much
traded me.
inversing my position, but like you don't know if my position is gonna hit profit or not. That's the thing.
But it'll get damn near close because of the liquidity play you're going at.
Mm. So would you inverse my trade right here? Like let's say I was in the 15-minute from the previous day.
See how
Yeah.
you bought from there? I would like sell from the top where it's
Mm.
breaking down.
Yeah, that hedges. That hedges. One of us is bound to be right, or both of us are wrong. Those are the only options.
Don't worry, bro. If we run up to 1 million this way, you gonna be right there with me, gang. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Nah, see, I'm gonna execute on my the analysis every single time. That's the thing, cause I know it. I know I'm gonna hit some profit.
Like, what if both of our strategies make us more profitable? Would you do it?
I don't know if adding more is necessary. Cause me, I've been trimming the fat recently. I just been making it even simpler and like more refined.
I know.
You
But
feel
I'm
me?
taking that fat, making little beef tallow with it, and then cooking it up in my recipe. Adding
It's,
some, some shit.
it's the best cooking fat to cook with, bro. Anyway, we can move on to GU after one more. Just one more game, one more game. Okay, so we swept that daily high, this daily low. Change character broke. Okay, these are our two zones.
Funding pips.
I don't know if you can trade options on a forex CFD firm. I don't know if there are options firms though. I don't know. But let's see. You said SPY? Yeah, no, they don't have options. Yeah, no SPY or options. Okay. On this day, what would you do? This is the first 15-minute candle.
Okay, do you see any liquidity plays in here?
We set the daily low, but we didn't really
Daily low.
confirm structurally where we're gonna go up or down. So are you want to
What's the
base?
daily looking like? What's the daily candle?
Let's see. It's very pin barish. It's very low wick. Is high wicks, low body,
And the blue is going up, right?
down. Sorry, up. Yeah, up.
Okay, so I'd be thinking buy maybe, and then go to the 15.
15-minute high low. We haven't really broken out on the 1 minute.
And then just keep playing it then until breaks out. Because I'm looking for it to break up high, and
Broke
then
up
yep,
high.
I'd enter right there. Because that gray one followed by the blue one would be my confirmation,
Yeah. Where's your
and then I
stop?
put it at the third one, right there's good.
Alright, bet. 1 to 2. But
For
me right
two.
now, I don't really see much confirmation because what this could make a low, high, low, come into the range and trade away. You know what I mean? So you don't really wanna sell or buy from here, just based off pure market structure. Let me show you this. So this is the low, high, low. You don't want to buy at this right here because we haven't. Honestly, your best bet to buy would be on the no. So you would look to sell because we were making a high. We just made a lower low, so you can expect markets to make lower lows and lower highs, or higher highs and higher lows.
Okay, let's let it play out then.
Higher lows and higher highs. Sorry, there we go. But this would, if price came into here, you wouldn't want to buy from here because then it will just take you out. But yeah, let's see what it does.
Because if it's in the zone, I normally would not buy it. I just consider it consolidating.
Yeah, this just could be resistance. That's the thing. It can be seen as resistance. Can be seen as resistance. So you want us to break away from resistance. Yeah, that took us out right there. This is just time is gone. It's already like 9:43. You're not really interested in anything else, right?
No, I'd be out of there.
So you definitely are. You just need to roll with the punches. That's pretty much it. Once you know, don't let the
Yeah,
losses.
I'll see how the strategy is after 100 trades. I'm gonna go for it.
Yeah. See how we still haven't broken above here, bro? Like there's clearly some sort of resistance here, you know?
Am I gonna hit 100 trades or go broke, man?
That's the thing. That's what I noticed, bro. Even after you blow some accounts, after 90 days of consistently trading the system, you're gonna be in profit. That's the thing. It's time in the market rather than, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's like 100 days, 3 months, more than 3 months.
3 months, literally. Our 90 days is 369. Yeah, 3 months.
I'm gonna make a calendar.
swear. Oh, okay, let's see. Is this a daily high though? No,
On
it's
my
not.
other places, bro, I can use my laptop and shit. It is. I picked up.
Exactly. So, like two. Why did I? Okay, yeah, that's why. Okay, then we proceeded to break out again. We didn't really come into the zone. This is not really where I'm interested in. But yeah, you want to do another one or you want to go back to GU? First, all right, we can take a break if you want, like, or not even a break. We might just have to call it here, to be honest, because I gotta go somewhere in a little bit.
Back on tomorrow, actually.
Yeah, we
It's
got
up to
this. We
you.
got this 5K account, bro. Like, I don't think it's updating. Hold on. No, I'm gonna start waking up earlier.
I bet. Stay smooth, gang.
Oh, it's Friday. What time does the market close? Yeah, today is Friday. There's no, there's no tomorrow, gang. Or there is. It's just the weekend.
Monday.
Monday it is for sure. Be smooth. What'd you say? I accidentally disconnected.
If you do back testing, hit me. I'll hop on with you.
Alright, bet. Probably later tonight, maybe if I'm still awake. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It should be way later for me than it is for you, so it'd be perfect.
I bet. Peace.
Alright, peace out.